Guess what? Hunterworks is coming to Canada. That's exactly right. Before today, if you wanted to purchase anything in Canada, you had to contact us, or you order off the site, then we have to contact you and see if the extra shipping's okay, tell you about duties and taxes and so forth, so on. It's kind of a pain in the butt for you and us. It takes extra time to ship and the whole 9 yards. But Hunterworks has started on Amazon using FBA, Fulfilled by Amazon, and then we're allowed to open up different countries to purchase our Hunterworks branded items. And we have started with you, Canada. You are very important to us, and we are opening up today. If you want to know what Hunterworks offers through Amazon, just get on Amazon.ca or is it .com.ca, whatever, your Amazon, and in the search block, just type Hunterworks and go through there. Now, here's one very important thing. To make sure that it is an original Hunterworks item, you know where it's coming from, you know what it is, look on the screen where it says sold by, and that should say Creekside Ride. That is a company Hunter, my son, owns, who does our Amazon sales. So it would be Hunterworks, say belt, sold by Creekside Ride, fulfilled by Amazon. They fulfill it from the distribution center here in the States. They bring it across the border with the rest of their stuff, gives you delivery time and your landed price. And we hope that this makes it easier for you and allows you to get some really high quality products. We strive every day to make anything that has Hunterworks name on it better and better and better till it can't get any better made, and that's when we stop. So we appreciate you guys for all the support in the past. I know it's been a little bit of struggle, but check it out, and I'll give you a little hint on something. There's a lot of snowmobiles in Canada, and our plan is this fall we will have Hunterworks snowmobile belts for Arctic Cat, Polaris, and Ski-Doo. So check that out here this fall. But we appreciate you so much. Got any questions? Todd at Hunterworks.com. If you want to make absolute sure that you're getting the right product for the right vehicle, Hunter at Hunterworks.com, because you don't want to be ordering off Amazon and coming across borders, taking time, having to send something back because you had the wrong thing. It end up costing you, and we don't want you to do that. So if you're unsure after reading the descriptions, and they're very accurate, if you're just still unsure if it works and fits for yours, send an email, Hunter at Hunterworks.com, or you can do an Amazon message, the same thing, but I'd rather you do real email, Hunter at Hunterworks.com. Anyway, thank you guys so much, and we look forward to doing business with you and bringing you in the Hunterworks family and serve you for years to come.